All right, as a content creator, I constantly have to get ahead of the game, and I'm always looking for like the next step. And I always get cases for new phones. Sometimes I don't have them, so I got to make sure I'm prepare myself. Either I'm going to invest money on buying them, or I'm going to maybe print them out. And I've been printing them out. Now it's not out yet. It's not the final version. It might not even look nothing like this, but they released an actual sketch, a 3D print, so you could actually start taking measurements on the type of the actual cases that you're gonna do. So this is gonna be the new iPhone, and it's gonna be the new foldable iPhone. So right now I printed this out. You can find it in places. Unbox Therapy actually got one. They spend a lot of money doing that stuff, but instead of spending money, you can just 3D print it. You know, it's the same model he has. Now, I was able to print the logos and everything else, but this might not be the final. It's a mock-up. All right. So as you can see, it is going to be a little thicker on this area. How they were mentioning the phones are going to be a little bit thicker. I was able to put the centerpiece, and this is the hardest part to do, but it gives you an understanding how big this thing's going to be. All right, and this, if you guys can see, this is an Apple X phone, the size of it. It's going to be a lot thicker on this because of the actual. It's thinner, but the actual camera is going to be a thicker. That's the only thing. So. Just this is a mock-up. It's not the real thing, but they show you exactly where everything's going to be at. A Type C, the microphones, and all that stuff is going to be on one end. Buttons are going to be here and here. And the SIM card, I'm not sure if it's going to even have the SIM card, where it's going to have the SIM card. But it gives you all these buttons, the settings, you know. You have other set of buttons here on the top. Most likely it's going to be for the volume control, but this is going to be the off and on button. This might be the SIM card because there's indentation there. So this is a mock-up of it, but just to see how big it is compared to it. It's about the same, almost the same size as the X, all right? A little bit, well, it's a little bit taller, like a couple, half an inch, I would say, taller, or maybe less than half an inch. But it is a big phone. I mean, you're going to be able to use it from this side, of course. You don't have to open it up completely. But when you open it up completely, you could actually start, surfing the internet, playing some games. Now, this thing is awesome how they have it, and it's going to have a front camera, of course. But when you open it up, there's also going to be, I believe there's not a front camera in here, but it's only in here when you're actually using it as a phone. So you could be dialing in here, touch screen. It's going to be all located within here. This is the indentation of an actual, if you guys can see, this is going to be the camera. But when you open it up, it's going to open up to this. Now, when you open it up, you're supposed to use the entire screen. So I believe it's going to have two screens here and here, but we don't know. We don't know yet. It's around the corner. It's about next month that we'll find out how it's going to look like, but it's already been leaked. It's like the most that I've seen it leak, where people are actually buying the actual 3D models instead of printing themselves. I was gonna do a CNC, but I don't want to spend the metal time to doing this stuff, and it's a lot easier if you just print it out, and you can find this pretty much anywhere now. It's on the internet. Find it out. I print it out just because I want to make sure I get a good mock-up of how it's going to look. Maybe I could start designing casings for this, and of course it's much easier to print your own case now. And easy to set up. So maybe I'm going to start mocking this up as for cases, and you can start selling your own cases. But this is a great mock-up. Whoever came up with this and started creating this, which is probably Apple, started pushing out this. They always get ahead of the game by sending these out as a mock-up. Not the final version. They don't show no details like this one. This one has incredible details. I mean, you can see the types of phone, the cameras that's going to, the actual cameras, the logo, everything, the flash, speaker maybe in the front, and then of course the camera. This is another camera, but this is going to be the front camera when you're blogging, you're doing a phones conference, or you're talking to somebody through the actual cloud. So this is perfect. And then you open it up, and then you're able to do your stuff. I was gonna do UV resin print right here, some mock-up, but I'm not gonna go that far. I just want you guys to see that how it's gonna look like. So if you guys are looking for the next generation of iPhone, how it's gonna look like, how it's gonna feel, you can print it out right now for yourself and take a look at it. It's only 3 pieces, 1 large, 2, and 3 right here. 3 pieces, that's all you need to do it. You get a perfect mock-up. If you want to invest the money on the future, or if you want to start adding yourself maybe to promote some of the covers for that, you can start doing that. So me myself as a content creator, I could say I have the phone, and when they get the cases, I could use this for a mock-up most of the time. It's better spending the money because this thing's going to be expensive. If I got the Galaxy for $1,300, I'm pretty sure this is probably going to go to almost $15 to maybe $2,000. Who knows? Depending on the amount of tech they actually throw on here, and depending on the casing. So sometimes when they put aluminum, it's cheaper, but when they took titanium, it might be a lot more expensive because of the actual fold that they have. It might have a reinforced titanium center. So that's where I'm kind of thinking about that. This might be a more expensive than regular. But if you guys are looking to print your own, take a look at it. I mean, it's great to have a head start, know what to expect for the future. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't spend your money by buying mock-ups. Just print your own mock-up.